Looking for a constructive activity to engage with your children this holiday? Hi, my name is Jo Chang. I'm a fashion stylist. Today, I'm going to change Elsa into a new outfit. This costume is inspired by Frozen 2. In this newest installment, Elsa's outfit started out as an overcoat and eventually turned into a glistening gown. Pattern drafting is an essential step. We will teach you to draft it in a simple way. Felt like it's too challenging? No worries, you can always download the drafts in A4 size paper pattern we already prepared for you and start doing. We will learn what materials we use, cutting materials are made easy now. We will show you how to glue the embroidery rhinestones on. This is the Snowflakes front slit skirt. The beautiful snowflakes design on the shoulder and glistening snowflake design at the hem. Here is our beautiful snow queen. Now, let's get to work. I'm very sure you will enjoy this lesson with me because beautiful things come together one stitch at a time. Let's not forget, sewing can be just plain fun.